See, chat, y'all think I'm bad. At least I don't have a full VR chat bodysuit. Like, bro, why are people so lame? Like,
Excuse you.
my fault. Wait, how old are you? Do a backflip on your chair? Dude, last time I tried to do a backflip on something, it broke. I'm never doing a backflip again. Oh my god. My fault, y'all. I'm hearing the vision out. Italy. Bro, I drink Pepsi and I'm burping a lot. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god. Alright, the first don't be saying stuff like that, bro. Like, don't bring.
Yes, I watch porn. I've watched lactation porn before.
What is that? Oh. Bro, like, y'all gonna stop by W stream. Actually, you was. Alright, my fault, y'all. Alright. Yo.
I just saw Burp.
My fault. Wait, what? One time. I bought it on. Yeah. Wait. Fuck you mean what? Bro. Holy hell.
Yeah.
Okay, that's not that. That's not as. Bro, I got
Bikini underneath.
I'm looking at the lookalike. Damn, the lookalike. Do any? What's one that'll be like?